Hello, this is St. Andrew's Secondary School, our new school. Come, let me show you around. This is the big steps. You walk up these steps to go to class every morning. Here, everyone is a leader because of our school values. Come, follow me. This is our classroom block where we attend lessons every day. Wow, the art done is so inspiring. This is our school library. So many things to learn and discover. Uh-oh, my tummy is grumbling. I need to eat now. And this is our school field. Yeah.
Welcome to St. Andrews.
Thank you, sir.